Hey guys, welcome back to another video where we're going to analyze the price of Bitcoin. I hope you guys are all doing good. All right, so what is happening in Bitcoin right now? Well, it's looking kind of interesting here. It looks like Bitcoin is finding strong resistance at around 48,000. So you see here, we attempted here, got rejected. We tried again a second time, we got rejected. And on this candle here, we couldn't even go to 48,000. We just immediately got rejected there. So yeah, 48,000 seems to be a huge resistance for Bitcoin right now. And we had this huge sell-off earlier today, as you can see, and we ended up finding support at around over here. This is to be expected because this is actually the support on the weekly time frame. So if I go to the weekly time frame here, you'll see UOC. You see this line, yellow line here. So yeah, this yellow line here is currently acting as a support for Bitcoin. Bitcoin ended up breaking into it, at least on the 4-hour and the 1-hour time frame. We broke into it and we're currently trading inside of it. So anytime Bitcoin falls, it's been finding support along this line. So if I go back to the 1-hour time frame, you'll see. So that's why, as Bitcoin, whenever it's falling, it's actually like bouncing back. It's bouncing back whenever it comes to this line, because this line is currently acting as a support. Now, just about a few hours ago, though, I just noticed that Bitcoin actually ended up breaking out of this vertical support here, and then it closed outside of it as well. And I kind of expected it to start falling further down since it closed outside of it. However, I also noticed something. We actually also have a new vertical support that Bitcoin managed to form earlier here. The price dropped and then it bounced up. So we have this new vertical support now that Bitcoin has created, and because of this, it has been able to bounce back up. When it dropped all the way down to 46,535, it was able to bounce back up, and now we are trading once again back to 47,000, and it looks like we're sort of getting rejected, but I believe that we are actually going to keep going higher, because I also noticed this falling wedge here on the 1-hour time frame. So this looks like a potential falling wedge, and a falling wedge happening in an uptrend. We've been in an uptrend here, sort of an uptrend on the 1-hour time frame, and now we are having a falling wedge. Okay, so a falling wedge in a bullish trend is actually a bullish continuation pattern. Usually this means that this uptrend movement that we've been having is actually going to continue. So I feel like a breakout is close to happening, and if this breakout actually happens, then I can see the price going all the way to the next resistance, which is like around 49,000. I feel like 49,000 is actually where the major sell-off is going to happen. So around 49,500, this is where the next major resistance is for Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin actually ends up breaking out of this falling wedge, then yeah, we're definitely going to go and break this 48,000 resistance, and as that happens, we are going to go all the way to like 49,000. Okay, and then from there, expect a massive sell-off. The price needs to correct a little bit. If you go to the 4-hour time frame, you'll see that Bitcoin is actually overbought. Okay, it's overbought on the 4-hour time frame, and yeah, this is actually a sign that a sell-off is very, very close to happening. If we're overbought, then it means that sellers, they're going to start selling whenever the market is overbought, usually the expectation is that the price is going to start falling. Okay, so I think a fall off is very close to happening. However, it seems like the market is not ready for a huge sell off yet. Okay, we have this 4-hour candle. It went all the way to 46,535, but right now it's living like a long wick on the bottom, I know. And if this candle turns green, it's going to close in 12 minutes. Turns green, this candle is extremely bullish. We're probably going to break out of this falling wedge and head all the way to 49,000. Although if that happens, we are going to have an even bigger bearish divergence on the 4-hour time frame, because if the price starts going higher, then on the RSI we're going to just keep moving down, and if that happens, then that means a huge sell-off would be imminent. Right now it's looking like a good time to long Bitcoin. I'm going to wait to see what this 4-hour candle closes. If it actually closes back inside of this vertical support, then this is a nice signal to actually long Bitcoin and potentially ride it all the way to 49,000. Okay, only if we break out. If we don't break out, then I'm not really confident in that move yet. I'm waiting to see that breakout happen anytime from now. It can happen anytime from now. So I'm waiting to see if we actually break out of here, then I'm going to go ahead and place a massive long position. For now, I would place a long position, but I'm not yet confident to place it just because, we might end up getting rejected again, going back down. But I want to see a confirmation of this breakout first before I can place a long position. Okay, guys, this is it for this analysis for today. I hope that you find some value out of it. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Sarah, and on this channel, I teach how to trade and invest in cryptocurrency. I also make technical analysis videos like this on Bitcoin. So if you like to get first dibs on that, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so that you can stay updated whenever I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day.